Rebuild, 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 recover. First we gotta put out the fires. Rebuild, reconstruct, make it beautiful, wonderful. Many, many fires. Oh, mental health, living in the streets, living in your mind, suicidal thoughts. What can you do? Call the number. Watching the sadness, watching the walls go up, down, spin around, round like a record. Rebuild, yeah, rebuild, rejoice. Oh, before we gotta put out the fires. Rebuild, recover. Oh, come on down here, come on down here, more, 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 more. We want more, 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 more. It's not an easy road, more, 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 more. Put out fires. Oh, then another one's coming round. Oh, should I leave this place? Or should I leave this earth? Or is it oh no. It's like the Antichrist. Always like a neighbor brother. Oh, forgive no. Watch out, oh, more fires are coming. Gotta put it out, rebuild, reconstruct, recover, come together, unite, all sisters and brothers, rebuild, oh, unite, rejoice, the light, oh, what darkness, ooh, you want it more and more and more and more, wanting more, having less, got your guns, oh, shoot darkness, it's a joyful night, no, rebuild, rebuild, oh, help your brothers and sisters, rebuild, recover, rejoice, love one another. First we gotta put out all the fires. Maybe it's too tough. Got to go. Heaven's gates.